Hey guys, it's me, and this is the first video in a series of videos that I'm going to call Advancedish GLua. And I say ish because some of the stuff, it depends who you are, whether or not you consider this advanced. What I believe is the normal demographic of people who watch my videos will consider this advanced. It's basically for you to watch later. If you came here looking for beginning tutorial steps on GLua, then watch my other videos. But if you are to the point where you think you can start taking on more things and these tips and videos might be helpful to you, I encourage you to stick around. And in fact, if you don't know, I encourage you to stick around for this video, because if you learn something and you feel that you can apply it to a project, then pretty much all the videos are going to be something around the difficulty or advancedness of this. So as you can see, what's on the screen currently, this is what I'm talking about today, is detouring functions and detouring detouring functions. So something interesting you can do with Lua is do this. You can detour something that's in the game by default. So how you do that is you set the current version of it to a local variable, and then you declare a global function of what you want to do. In this case, I'm just detouring run console command, and you have the arguments of it, and I'll talk about the ellipses in a second. And what I wanted to accomplish with this is, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm in DarkRP and I'm just running around with keys out, and I don't know why I do this, but I just spam like the left and right mouse button all day long, and when I am not looking at a door, it brings up that obnoxious menu on the right, and I got tired of seeing it, so I wrote this really quickly to detour and say, if the command that it's trying to run is underscore DarkRP animation menu, then, or if it's not that, sorry, if it's not equal to that, then it will detour to the old run console command, which is just the normal run console command thing, but otherwise it does nothing. And what I want to talk about the ellipsis is, the ellipsis signifies an infinite quantity of additional arguments. So you might think, for example, that print would be defined like this, and then like inside it, it would do like print stuff. I don't know the internals of print, but you get the picture. But actually how it's defined is this, because it actually is a table of infinite arguments, and that is why you can do stuff like print XYZ, and then it will print just fine. That's a lot easier than doing print X, concatenate. I think it actually uses a tab character in the print deal, and then Y, and then you get the point. But how you would use the ellipsis in your coding would be like, you set it to a table and ellipsis. It's just how it works. I don't know why. It's just how it works. And you can call like args1, args2, shit like that, and then you can interact with it that way. So that's how the ellipsis works. So you can use that for stuff like if you're defining a custom add text function to chat, or logs, or whatever, just anything you need an unknown quantity of arguments to be called to a function. And that's it for this video. That's basically what we're going to be doing in this series of videos. It's going to basically range from me doing like stuff that's an actual tutorial, to me just talking about stuff sort of like this, to me just throwing an idea out there, or giving you a cool snippet of code I found. But Advancedish GLua, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, sorry.